Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Matmo token to your Trust wallet. Alright guys, so your first step in adding the Matmo or the MAMO token to your Trust wallet would be to simply open up your browser and log on to coinpaprika.com. The link is going to be in the description of the video. Once there, scroll through from the overview to the bottom of the screen where we have both its contract address and the asset type. So copy its contract address. Once it's copied, minimize and open up your Trust wallet. With the Trust wallet opened up, where we have the search, simply search for the MAMO token. If you can't find it on the search, use the icon at the top right, click on this icon, use the icon again, which is the plus icon at the top right again, to simply add its token. Now it exists on the BNB Smart Chain, so click on Ethereum, select the BNB Smart Chain, paste its contract address, its name, symbol, and decimal are going to be shown. So now click on Import, and boom, the Matmo token has been successfully added. So guys, that's how you can easily add this token to your Trust wallet. Comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.